Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you use your new bubble blaster gun. First, carefully unbox your blaster and check for all parts, including the gun, bubble solution, and tray. Next, locate the battery compartment, usually on the handle, and insert 2 or 3 AA batteries, ensuring correct polarity. Finally, pour the included bubble solution into the small dipping tray, filling it about 1/2 inch deep, preparing for endless fun. Now that your blaster has power and solution, it is time to load and prime it. Gently dip the front nozzle of your bubble blaster into the bubble solution tray. Make sure the entire nozzle, where the bubbles emerge, is fully submerged for about 3 to 5 seconds. This allows the wands to absorb enough solution. Then, carefully lift the blaster, letting any excess solution drip back into the tray before you start blasting. With your blaster primed, you are ready to create a fantastic bubble display. Simply press and hold the trigger located on the handle. You will immediately see a delightful stream of bubbles emerge from the nozzle. For a continuous flow, keep the trigger pressed down. You can also gently wave the blaster from side to spread the bubbles over a wider area, enchanting everyone around you with thousands of shimmering spheres. To ensure your bubble blaster provides many hours of enjoyment, proper care is essential. After each use, rinse the nozzle area with clean water to prevent solution buildup and clogging. If there is any leftover bubble solution, pour it back into its original bottle and seal it tightly to keep it fresh. For long-term storage, always remove the 2 or 3 AA batteries to prevent corrosion and extend your blaster's life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.